your appointment. I look forward to working with you. Mheshimiwa Balozi, pongezi.
Asante sana.
Congratulations, Ambassador.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
And welcome to Nairobi.
Thank you.
Pongezi nyingi Balozi. Congratulations, Ambassador. My very best wishes. Welcome to Nairobi. What to doing business together. Thank you very much.
His Excellency Prime Minister Anwar al-Qadr and the people of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Excellency,
I'm honored to present to Your Excellency my credentials as the Ambassador of the State of Qatar to the Republic of Kenya.
Her Excellency Dr. Samia Suluhu Hassan, President of the United Republic of Tanzania, has appointed me as the Ambassador of the United Republic of Tanzania to the Republic of Kenya.
Plenipotentiary of the Sultanate of Oman to the Republic of Kenya.
Of my country, Somalia, to the Republic of Kenya. I bring you with me to convey to Your Excellency the warmest wishes and greeting from my President, your old brother, His Excellency Hassan Sheikh Mahmoud.
And greetings from His Excellency Dr. Syed Ibrahim Raisi, the President of the Islamic Republic of Iran, and the people of my country, to you personally, and through you, Excellency, to the people of Kenya.
Allow me, Your Excellency, to convey to you, the government and the people of Kenya, my warmest regards, together with the government and people of Australia.
Allow me to convey to you, Mr. President, the warm greetings of President Kasim Jomart Tokayev, and extends through Your Excellency the best wishes of the government and people of Kazakhstan to the government and people of the Republic of Kenya.
It is a great honor to have been appointed as my President's representative and Estonia's first ever ambassador to Kenya.
I'm honored to present my credentials as extraordinary and plenipotentiary ambassador of the Republic of El Salvador to the Republic of Kenya.
May I take this opportunity to convey Your Excellency and the people of the Republic of Kenya warm and cordial greetings from the President and the people of the Republic of Suriname, South America, and Caribbean.
I do expect that you will take time to read, to understand, to ask, to look for help, and even in some of the cases where you have a view, you must always remember that a good idea must give way to a better idea. You also must always remember that it's only a fool who doesn't change their mind. If facts speak otherwise, other than the view you have, you must be ready to change your mind. Each and every one of us must be ready to learn, to look at different worldviews. Again, I encourage you to read so that you can understand, to ask where you don't understand. That's why Waswahili wanasema kuuliza si ujinga, bali ni kutaka kujua. So I want to encourage you. You have a huge responsibility on your shoulders in the stations that you will be representing the government and the people of Kenya. I assure you of our support, my personal support, that of the government of Kenya through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Diaspora Issues, and that of the people of Kenya. Each and every one of you as you go forth into your stations beginning tomorrow. You are going to represent the people of Kenya. I haven't appointed anybody here because of the village they come from, the community they come from, or the region they come from. It is my expectation that you will represent Kenya, understanding very well that Kenya is a great democracy. And the image of our country will be reflected by your actions, what you do, and how you articulate issues that are of importance, that are of significance, that project the positive image of our country. I expect no less from you to push for the interest of Kenyans, Kenyan companies, Kenyan businesses, Kenyan entrepreneurs, to make sure that it is your responsibility to be available, to support Kenyans wherever you will be, to support their pursuits, their interests, and to protect them. It is our responsibility as government. It will be your responsibility as ambassador to make sure that you look after Kenyans in the countries that you will be working from, and to make sure that we secure the global national interest of Kenya. As ambassador, you are the agent of the government of Kenya to make sure that public resources allocated to your embassies, all the resources are used prudently in an accountable manner. In fact, you will find that in many cases, you will represent the country. It will not be necessary for us to send ministers unless it is absolutely necessary, or other public officials unless it is absolutely necessary. You will have to stand in. You have the requisite capacity to represent the country in any forum. You step into the arena of diplomacy at a critical moment in the history of multilateralism. There are many issues, bilateral issues, multilateral issues, issues that are cut across many sectors. And it is my expectation, and that of the government of Kenya and people of Kenya, that you will represent, you will articulate, you will canvass, and you will work on all issues securing the interest of the Republic of Kenya, cultivating relations with different actors, different countries, in different sectors that foster the interest of the Republic of Kenya, that you will build networks and coalitions that will support the attainment of the interests of the people of Kenya.